Example 2. Let's say 2 divided by 3. It can be written as this 2 over 3, is it not? So when you are doing your long division, remember, how do you write it? Open bracket and a line. So where would 3 go? This side. Yes, good. So 2, you are divided, 2 will go in the under the line. Then what you are dividing, yeah, by 3 will go by the side. So 2 over 3. So remember, once you get this step, this is the first step to get it right. Then now what you need to do again, the next step, what you need to do is to say, okay, how many units are here? First of all, 0 units, because 3 is bigger than 2. So each person cannot possibly get, let's say they are human beings now, you cannot group these 2 into three equal parts, right? So it's 0 units. Therefore, what does it mean? You have to break down these 2 into tens. How many tens are you going to get? 20 tens. Sorry, 2 tens, that's 20, right? You're going to have 2 tens. So let's say, imagine you have 2 bars now, right? You have 2 bars of equal length, and now you have to share it into 10. So this method is primary 2, primary 1 method of division, but it's good for me to show you, to make it simple for you to understand, because I don't know why many students are not getting this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops, this one is not straight. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now you have 20 parts. Out of these 2, you have broken down 2 into 20 parts. So that's what you've done. So, meaning you can easily share across 3. So let's use, since it's 3, let's use star, dash, and what should we use? Cross, right? To represent 3 groups. Okay? Star, dash, cross, star, dash, cross, star, dash, cross, star, dash, plus, times, minus, plus, times, minus, plus. So if you notice here, it's 2 left, so it's still not going to, you are not going to have across this 3. So let's count how many there. How many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. So that means is 6. So that's how to, one of the simple tricks to do division. Or again, you can, 20, there are 6 3s in 20, because 6 times 3 is 18. So you look at the number, how many times can I possibly group 3 of the 20 items? So it's going to be 6. And then let's put the 20 here. So from this 6, yeah, 6 times 3, 6 times 3 is 18. So you have 2 left. Yeah, this 2. So what these 2 represent is 2 parts of this 20. Of, originally you have 2, right? But we broke down that 2 into 20 bits. So 2 parts of that 20 bits will be left over. So what are we still going to? We still need to divide by 3 again, that fraction again, to get the lower fraction, the hundredth part now, okay, you notice that it's still the same situation that we have. So we'll divide this again into 20 parts. Imagine dividing to teeny 20 parts again. So imagine how small, look, can you imagine, can you see, can you visualize how small this fraction is now? Yes, good. So you see, you now have this 20 bits again. And again, if you do the same way that if you blow it up now, okay, imagine that it's big now, and you do it the same way, you're still going to have 2 again. It's still going to be 6, 18, and when you subtract, so what you are doing here, you shared this part here is the part that you've shared across the tree, right? Then this part is the remaining part. So when after sharing, you take away the ones that you've shared. That one is already given, is grouped or given to the different people, right? So 2 will still be left again. So you see that it's recurring. So this type of decimal is what you call recurring decimals. So it will keep going like that, 0.6666666 like that, right? So this fraction 2 over 3 is a popular fraction. Call it 2/3. Okay? Yeah? So that's the name of that fraction.